You can see the back, it's not too full. Love it. 10 inches. Click the subscribe button and let me show you how I crochet this in. Look at that. Nice. You can wear it like this and like, wear it like that. Stay tuned.
Happy birthday to you.
I don't know who is always celebrating birthday for Joel.
It's February.
Yeah, I know it's February. Celebrating birthday already. Okay, so it's our first video of the year. Eva, come. Eva, come. Eva.
There are not enough flowers.
Yeah, on her hair. She'll just pull everything off and throw it away. Okay, so yeah, cheese. Cheese. Okay, so our first video on YouTube for the year 2025. It's crochet time. Yeah. And okay, let me carry you. And yeah. Still 13 months post baby. 2 under 2. Wait, is that right? 2 years old. This one is 2 years old and this one is 13 months old. Yeah. Yeah. 2 under 2. 2 under 2. Not really 2 under 2. This is 2 years old. She's 2 years old, and we have our 13 months old who does everything this one does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She teaches him.
Yeah, she teaches him. So, still postpartum and everything. The crew came to say hello. Now let's crochet. Let's make our hair. You don't want to go? Okay, you can stay. You can stay. You don't have to go. You do want to stay? Wow. So yes, officially 13 months post baby, postpartum, whatever. And what I noticed is that, look at that, I breathe out, I breathe in, tuck my belly in, I release my belly. So yeah, I started having, my belly starts growing or whatever. My belly is beginning to feel either bloated or something. So that thing that happens after you finish giving birth, where you lose the initial weight and then you start adding back up. I think it's happening to me, although it's everywhere. So it's everywhere, back roll and the rest of it. So I guess it's time to officially join the gym, and that's what I say every time. All right, let's make this hair. So I got this from the store, $8.99 a pack. I doubt it will be enough, but we'll see. I got 5 packs. We'll see. It is the Modern Soft Box Braid with coils 10 inches, especially, and this is the color that HTW/NE. This is mostly because the little one is always dragging my hair, as usual, even if I don't carry him like that anymore. So let's do this. Ooh, not your head. Very well. Normally, I don't let my hair get dried before braiding it. But you will have brought my edge control on my face. My edge control. Bye-bye. Let me finish. I'm almost done. Okay. It's time. It took me 1 hour 15 minutes to braid this simple hair. Imagine. Okay. As usual, I'll cover up the scanty. I'll cover up the middle and the front side and then make it scanty at the back. I don't know what my back side looks like, but you know, there we go. I need to braid your hair tomorrow, Eva. There's no school tomorrow anyways. And no work for me. Eva, I'm not school tomorrow. It's not like you go to school. And no work for me. So we gotta braid your hair. This hair is 2 weeks old. Hi. Oh my goodness. Okay. Mama babies, mama babies. Mama babies, No. Okay, let's go snack on something. Let's go. One pack is finished. Four more packs to go. Okay, second one done. I thought second one would cover this, but I guess I filled it up a little bit more. I'm not feeling it yet. I'm not feeling it. I hope this is not too wide. Okay, we'll see. I'm not feeling this. 3 hours and a few minutes later with minor interruptions. This is what we got. This is what I got. I love the color. So this is burgundy. Hits the gap here, but it's fine. I plan to wear it like this all the way. Let me stand up. Nice one. 10 inches. Perfect. You can also style it like this. Love it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye. So I only used 4 out of 5 brackets. This is the only one remaining. Every time I have one remaining. I always have 1 pack remaining.